Hello dear students and welcome to our fourth lecture. And this lecture will be dedicated to the writing bar chart and writing bar chart. I hope that this lecture will be very useful for you. Let's start. First of all, what should you know about writing task? How to describe a bar chart? In this lesson you will see an example of a bar chart question. Learn Band 9 structure. Write model answers step by step together. Learn some useful vocabulary. Guys, also we have a special structure. It is the same for all types of graphs. First of all, you should write 3 or 4 paragraphs, exactly approximately 150 and 170 words. Also, we have a special component inside. The first sentence, this is the first paragraph, this is our introduction. Here you should paraphrase the task. This is exactly one sentence. Second paragraph, this is our main features with comparisons. The same situation we have in our third and fourth paragraph. Here you should write main features with another comparisons if we have such. And the last our paragraph, we should write overall statement. There we can include general trend, what is the same and what's different. Guys, let's talk exactly about overall. What does it mean? Overall statement you can write in the second section, and the structure will work like this. Here we have vice versa situation. First of all, you should write introduction. Also, don't forget to paraphrase the task. Then, in the second place, we will write our overall statement. General trends, what's the same and what's different. And in paragraph 3, 4, and 5, we will describe our main features with comparisons, if they are relevant. Guys, exactly the first option, from details to general, this is our overall statement. And the second option, from the general overall statement to the details. I hope that this is not very difficult for you to understand. Guys, exactly here in my page you can see how we can work with the bar chart. First of all, we should read the task. And we have the task like the bar chart shows the divorce rates in 2 European countries from 2011 to 2015. And our task is summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Go further. Guys, here exactly I have a really simple structure. How to paraphrase the structure according our writing task. First of all, don't forget to write introduction, overview, body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. This is the first our structure, and the second our structure is a little bit vice versa. First of all, you should also write about introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and at the end, don't forget to write overview. And also, guys, I'd like to remind you that there is prohibited to write a conclusion. Instead, we write overview. Guys, also let's discuss IELTS bar chart answering strategy. First of all, let's talk about introduction. The first paragraph you write is an introduction. The introduction is 1 or 2 sentences where you introduce your chart. In the introduction, you have to paraphrase the information from your question and mention 2 important things. What your graph shows, for what period of time. In our example, the introduction can look like this. The bar chart provides information about the percentage of divorces in Finland and Sweden between 2011 and 2015. See how I use synonyms to paraphrase the question. Shows means provides information about divorces rates, means percentages of divorces. 2 European countries, Finland and Sweden. It is good to be more specific. from 2011 to 2015, between 2011 and 2015. Let's talk about general overview. The second paragraph of your answer is general overview, where you briefly describe major trends on your graph. Ideally, you should describe 2 or 4 key features. For example, to make major trends easier to notice, you can outline Sweden's bars and Finland's bars like this. Now it is obvious that Sweden experienced a downward trend. Finland experienced an upward trend. Both countries showed fluctuations. Initially, Finland had a lower rate, but in 2015, Finland outraced Sweden. Use word overall to start your general overview. In our case, the overview may look like this. Overall, Sweden experienced a downward trend while Finland showed an upward trend throughout the period. Both countries' divorce rates had some fluctuations. Although Finland initially had a lower rate, it outraced Sweden at the end of the period. Now include information you've gathered from the chart into your overview. Always start your general overview with the word overall. And here exactly, guys, you can see the example how I wrote this overview. Right now you can stop this video and read it very fluently. Now let's talk about specific details. After we've written an introduction and general overview, it's time to give a specific detail. You should write details about Sweden, and you should write details about Finland. Also, guys, you can stop this video right now and to think about your own specific details. Here, guys, the example of how I wrote. In our case, the specific details may look like as follows. You also can read them in your own way, stopping this video. And also tips. When analyzing a bar chart, we cannot always give an exact details due to inaccuracy of the chart. So use words around, about, and approximately when giving an exact data. Give data for each year shown on the chart. The full answer plus practice. And also, guys, I hope that this video lecture was very useful for you, and now you can describe your own bar chart. Also, I attached some documents. Please work them out and try to do the same. I wish you good luck. See you soon. Goodbye.